Ironbark Antifungal Soap Bar is marketed as a targeted cleansing product designed for people who experience common fungal-related skin concerns, particularly in areas that are frequently exposed to moisture, sweat, friction, or limited airflow. The product is positioned as an alternative to ordinary body soap, with the brand focusing on ingredients and properties intended to support cleaner, fresher-feeling skin while addressing concerns such as athlete's foot, jock itch, ringworm, and other unwanted skin irritation. Its bar format makes it relatively straightforward to incorporate into an existing shower routine, which may be one of its more practical advantages for consumers who prefer simple topical products rather than adding several separate items to their personal care routine. The product page emphasizes ingredients including tea tree oil, sulfur spring extract, witch hazel, and ceramides, giving the formula a combination of cleansing, refreshing, and skin conditioning positioning. From a consumer perspective, this ingredient profile may appeal to people who specifically prefer products containing botanical or traditionally used skincare ingredients, although individual tolerance and results can differ considerably. One of the notable aspects of the Ironbark bar is its focus on areas of the body where fungal concerns can be more common. Moisture and sweat can create an environment in which certain fungal organisms thrive, so maintaining good hygiene and keeping vulnerable areas clean and dry can be an important part of general skin care. The soap is intended to be used during bathing, with the product directions recommending creating a lather, applying it to the desired area, allowing it to remain on the skin for a short period, and then rinsing thoroughly. This makes the product relatively convenient compared with treatments that may require more complicated application schedules. However, consumers should keep in mind that using a specialized soap does not automatically mean that every type of rash, itching, redness, or irritation is caused by a fungal infection. Similar symptoms can occur with eczema, contact dermatitis, bacterial infections, allergies, friction, or other skin conditions, so identifying the underlying cause is important when symptoms persist.